Hi children, in this video lecture we will learn about the table of 13. So let's start this video lecture. 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26, 13 2 ja 26, 13 3 ja 39, 13 4 ja 52, 13 4 ja 52, 13 5 ja 65. Next here to 13 6 ja 78, 13 6 ja 78, 13 7 ja 91, 13 7 ja 91, 13 8 ja 104, 13 9 ja 117, and 13 10 ja 130. Now it's time to practice this table, so the kids can practice with me the table of 13. 13 1 ja 13, 13 2 ja 26, 13 3 ja 39, 13 4 ja 52, 13 5 ja 65, 13 6 ja 78, 38 7 ja 91, 38 ja 104, 13 9 ja 117, 13 10 ja 130. Note, if you want to practice math as much as possible, then go to the description and buy any books for practice more and more. And in the next video lecture we will learn about the table of 14. So children, till then, goodbye.